swap 3 and 17, and then again swap 3 and 15. This 3 and 17, and then 3 and 15. And hippie by fun, we first swap 1 and 7, and again swap 1 and 15, finally swap 1 and 6. So let's take a look at heap sort algorithm. To solve the problem, follows the below idea. First, convert the array into heap data structure using heapify. Then one by one delete the root node of the max heap and replace it with the last node in the heap, and then heapify the root of heap. Repeat this process until the size of heap is greater than 1. So step involved, first we will build a max heap from the input data. At this point the maximum element is stored at the root of the heap. Replace it with the last item of the heap, followed by reducing the size of heap by 1. Finally the heap the root of the tree. Repeat step 2 while the size of heap is greater than 1. Now let's take a look at working of heap. To understand heap sort more clearly, let's take an unsorted array and try to sort it using heap sort. So consider we have an array of 4, 10, 3, 5 and 1. We will build a complete binary tree from this. So this at first step we create a binary tree from this array. Then transform into a max heap. After that, the task is to construct a tree from that unsorted array and try to convert it into a max heap. To transform heap into a max heap, the parent node should always be greater than or equal to the child node. Here is the this example. As the parent node 4 is smaller than the child node 10, this parent node is less than this child node 10. Thus we will swap them to build a max heap. Transform it into a max heap. So after converting our binary tree into a max heap, the 4 less than 5 and 5 is greater between the two children. So this is now our max heap. Here the parent node is greater than all of its child nodes, and now our array is something like that: 10, 5, 3, 4, 1. First 10, then 5, then 3, then 4, then 1. So this is our array of this max heap. After successfully converting our array into a max heap, we will perform heap sort. Remove the maximum element in each step, move it to the end position and remove that, and then consider the remaining element and transform it into a max heap. Then delete the root node 10 from the max heap. In order to delete this node, try to swap it with the last node. In this example, the last node is 1. After removing the root element, again heapify it to convert into a max heap. The resulted heap array should be something like that. After we remove the max heap and replace it with the leaf node, now our array is something like this. And after heapifying it, it will convert into this. Then we repeat the above step, that it will look like the following. So now we have 1, 4 and 3, 1, 4, 3, 5. Then we remove the max element from our heap. Now we will remove the root, in this example 3 again, and perform the heapify. and after removing the max, our array will be something like this.